If you like playing mobile games, or even if you don't, check this out. Red Dead Redemption is one of the most iconic open world games of all time, and it's now officially playable on your mobile phone. And yes, it's the full gaming experience. Originally released in 2010, Red Dead Redemption 1 follows John Marston, a former outlaw forced to hunt down his old gang across the dying Wild West. The mobile version includes the complete single-player campaign along with the Undead Nightmare expansion, meaning you get both the classic Western story and the fan-favorite zombie DLC all in one package. This isn't a watered-down version or a cloud stream either. It's the native mobile port designed to run directly on Android and iOS devices. The visuals have been optimized for smaller screens, and while it doesn't match the modern console graphics, it still captures the atmosphere that made the original game unforgettable. For a mobile game, it looks seriously impressive. Controls have been reworked for touch screens, with on-screen buttons for shooting, riding, and exploration. While touch controls do take some getting used to, I find it very playable, especially for slower cinematic gameplay. The performance will depend heavily on your device, with newer phones delivering smoother frame rates and faster load times. There are some limitations though. The mobile version is strictly a single-player experience, so no online multiplayer, no cross-save to consoles either, and you do need an internet connection for verification with Netflix. Still, being able to experience the full Red Dead Redemption story anywhere is a huge deal. Whether you're revisiting John Marston's journey or experiencing it for the first time, Red Dead Redemption on mobile is a reminder of how timeless this game really is. If you're looking for a solid mobile game to sink your teeth into, look no further. This game is best played on a mid to high-end smartphone. In Android terms, it'll be a Snapdragon 7 series or Dimensity 8000 series or later. On the iPhone, you're looking at the iPhone 11 or newer. So what do you think about Red Dead Redemption coming to mobile? Are you a fan? It's quite a debatable topic, but I do want to know, what is your favorite mobile game? And do you play mobile games? And if not, will this be the one that convinces you otherwise?